Birth of an icon, the 1955 Ford Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird debuted in 1955. It wasn't designed to be a sports car, but a personal luxury car. Stylish, comfortable, and powerful, it was aimed at drivers seeking something special. The Thunderbird was an instant success, outselling the Chevrolet Corvette. The Thunderbird, with its sleek styling and powerful V8 engine, was perfect for the time. The Thunderbird became an American icon, setting the standard, design, and luxury of the early years. The 1955 Thunderbird's design was a major departure from anything else on the road. Low, sleek, and sporty, it featured a distinctive egg crate grille, long hood, and short rear deck. Influenced by European sports cars, it had a distinctly American flair. Chrome accents were everywhere, giving it a luxurious and eye-catching appearance. The Thunderbird's interior was just as stylish, featuring a wraparound windshield and spacious cabin. The dashboard was simple and elegant, with large, easy-to-read gauges. Standard luxury features included power windows, power seats, and a signal-seeking radio. Ford continued to refine the Thunderbird's design, adding tail fins and a Continental kit. These changes kept the Thunderbird fresh and exciting. The combination of style, luxury, and performance proved to be a winning formula. The Thunderbird cemented its status as an American icon. It set the standard for design and luxury in the automotive world. Evolution of an icon. From two-seater to four-door luxury, the Ford Thunderbird evolved significantly over its production run. It started as a two-seat luxury car and became a four-door model. In 1958, Ford introduced a four-seat Thunderbird. The four-seat model was a sales success. By 1967, it featured distinctive suicide doors. Redesigned in 1972, it became a smaller luxury car, downsized in 1977 due to the fuel crisis. The Thunderbird saw several redesigns in the 1980s and 1990s. Revived in 2002 with a retro-inspired design, the 11th generation Thunderbird nodded to the original 1955 model. It stayed true to its core values of style, comfort, and performance. The Thunderbird adapted to changing times while maintaining its iconic status. Its evolution reflects its enduring appeal. Power and performance engines that defined an era. The Ford Thunderbird was known for its powerful engines. The first-generation Thunderbird featured a V8 engine with 225 horsepower. As the Thunderbird grew in size, so did its engines. The second generation offered V8 engines, including a 352 and a 430 cubic inch V8. In the 1970s and 1980s, engines became more fuel efficient, but still offered respectable performance. The 1980s saw a turbocharged four-cylinder engine for good fuel economy and peppy performance. The 11th generation Thunderbird, 2002 to 2005, had a 3.9-litre V8 engine with 252 horsepower. The Thunderbird's engines were always a key part of its appeal. They provided the performance to match its stylish looks. The variety of engines offered over the years catered to different buyer preferences. The Thunderbird's power and performance were defining characteristics. Its engines evolved with the times, maintaining the car's reputation. The Thunderbird's engines were integral to its legacy. The Thunderbird experienced design, comfort, and driving. The Ford Thunderbird was about more than just its engine. It was designed for daily driving enjoyment and long road trips. The interior was spacious and well appointed with comfortable and supportive seats. The dashboard was well designed, making controls easy to reach. The Thunderbird's ride quality was smooth and comfortable. Its suspension was tuned for a great cruising experience. Despite its size, the Thunderbird's handling was surprisingly good. It was nimble and fun to drive on winding roads. Ford paid close attention to design details evident in the stylish exterior and refined driving dynamics. The Thunderbird was a car you could enjoy driving every day. It combined design, comfort, and driving experience seamlessly. The Thunderbird offered a unique driving experience. A legacy of style and performance. The Thunderbird's enduring appeal. The Ford Thunderbird is a true American icon. It successfully combined style, luxury, and performance. The Thunderbird helped create the personal luxury car segment. Its legacy can be seen in many cars it inspired, like the Chevrolet Monte Carlo and Pontiac Grand Prix. The Thunderbird's influence is evident in modern car designs. Today, it is a highly sought-after collector's item. First-generation Thunderbirds, 1955 to 1957, are the most valuable, fetching 6 figures at auction. The Thunderbird's enduring appeal is a testament to its timeless design and luxurious features. It reminds us of a time when American cars were stylish, innovative, and fun to drive. The Thunderbird will continue to be enjoyed by generations to come.